The last time I was lucky enough to be in Paris, I tried the most divine dish. It was fried eggs with mushroom cream. Can't get any simpler than that, but it's so delicious. And yes, you can have it for breakfast or for a very quick dinner. So I've got a hot pan, a good glug of extra virgin olive oil. You can see it's really hot, and in with some sliced button mushrooms. Now we want to fry these off and get a bit of colour. To this we can add a pinch of salt and some cracked pepper. Give them a bit of a toss, and on that high heat they're going to fry off quite quickly. Now I can add some garlic and some thyme. Now you don't want to be adding them straight away because they'll burn. So as it starts to collapse, let's add the garlic and thyme, all great flavours with mushrooms and cream. So a few sprigs of thyme and just pick off the little leaves. And we'll just cook that off just to warm through that garlic. And now we can deglaze this with some sherry and some cream. Now, the cream I'm using is cooking cream. This is great because it heats up without curdling. With that high heat and alcohol, some creams can tend to curdle, but not with this one. So in with the cream, and in moments this is going to thicken up and create a gorgeous, silky, smooth sauce. I've also got some eggs that are frying. Always a little salt on that yolk. All right, let's plate this up. We'll grab these eggs, plate, and we'll carefully transfer them over. Okay. And now my favourite way to present this is exactly how it was in the bistro, which was just to completely drench the eggs in this creamy mushroom sauce. So all around the dish, the mushrooms and the cream. Look how thick that sauce is, that's what we're after. And I love how glossy it is. Wow, look at that, so decadent. I like to serve that with a little toast on the side, maybe some freshly cracked pepper, and just because I've got a little more here for decoration, some thyme sprigs over the top. So just imagine grabbing a bit of crusty toast, in France it would be some baguette, and dipping that in that egg yolk. Ooh, look at that, so gooey. And grabbing a fork and adding some creamy mushrooms on top, dipping it in lots of cream. The ultimate flavour combination there. So good.